Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. 4 people, including a child, have died following a motor vehicle crash along the PJ Patterson Highway early Sunday morning. Road safety advocates have described the devastating incident as the worst nightmare come true. Ramarda Lyons explains.
A probox in complete ruin, bent, twisted, and the scene of destruction. An 8-year-old boy, a 27-year-old male driver, and 2 female passengers ages 22 and 29 all died after a Mercedes-Benz slammed into the probox a little after midnight Sunday along the PJ Patterson Highway. A police report listed excessive speeding, diverted attention, and a previous accident as possible causes of the crash. Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, says it's a painful situation.
For one time, this is absolutely shocking and happening on one of the best roads in the country.
It's reported that the driver of the probox lost control of the vehicle and hit a median and the motor vehicle overturned. But that wasn't the end of the ordeal. TVJ News understands that the driver and 3 passengers were in the process of disembarking the overturned car when it was hit by the Mercedes-Benz, severely injuring all 4.
This is our worst nightmare come true as road safety advocates. All our efforts is to try and prevent this kind of craziness, this kind of suffering, this kind of pain for families.
Dr. Jones says it's an unfortunate tragedy that reinforces the need for more support for proper road usage. 92 Jamaicans have been killed in road incidents since the start of the year.
How can we bring this to an end? It means that because road fatalities is the second leading cause of violent death in the country, we need all resources possible. Everybody has to be on deck with this, the entire nation, to try and put a stop to this kind of multiple fatality crash.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.